Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Award-winning comedian and businesswoman Tyra Chikucho, popularly known as Madam Boss, is beaming with pride after her daughter Michaela passed the Cambridge examinations with distinctions. In an emotional Facebook post, the entertainer described her daughter as a champion and thanked God for the milestone. Naomi, this daughter gave birth to a champion, she wrote. All I can see is the hand of God. Congratulations, Michaela, on passing your Cambridge exams with the distinctions. I'm one proud mama. The future is shining so bright. Madam Boss said she was overwhelmed with the joy, telling followers to excuse her if they saw her dancing, crying, and jumping around today. A proud parent has every right to celebrate, she added. The mother of two also announced that it was now Form 1 loading next year for Michaela, urging her to keep shining, keep dreaming, and keep making them proud. She ended the post with "The future is bright and this only the beginning," accompanied by hashtags, #ProudMom, #Cambridge distinctions, #God did it, and #Future is bright. Fans and fellow celebrities quickly flooded the comments with congratulatory messages, applauding both Michaela's academic achievement and Madam Boss for raising a bright young girl. The comedian has often spoken about valuing education and says this is just the start for her daughter. Congratulations to the little one. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.